bus is now on a boat. It's amazing. And then we come into this lobby. I guess we chill here while the boat sails. And of course you can see it's very foggy outside. We're just about to depart. There's even Starbucks on this boat. It's crazy. Amazing. It's like a cruise ship. And food, of course. And there's an all-inclusive buffet here. Check out the restrooms. There's so many along this corridor. This is on board the ferry. Look at these. Never seen before. There's more things. I really am eyeing the peppermint. So I must say I'm very proud of how I manage my stash. Still have chips that I bought for just like $2. And then I have my cup in here, and the Summersby, and my Jaeger, and underneath that I have chocolates, the 4 chocolates. I still have my camera and my iPad, and then when I close the bag after packing everything in, even with a book, you can see that everything still closes, and it's just like a smallish bag. On a bus that's on a boat. It's crazy. Very, very close to the dock. So we're on like deck 5, which is above ground level. So I think we have to get on this platform, and then they're gonna lower us. Oh, there are 2 roads, one below and one above. Engineers. Just got off the Flix bus, and I met a girl on there, very nice. She would be in Berlin, so I exchanged numbers with her. And I have a welcome gift from David,
Hi.
Who is here, and he got me this from Lübeck. It's a marzipan.
I already came from Lübeck, and when you are in Lübeck one time, you have to eat Niederegger Marzipan. Nochmal die Akrobatiknummern machen, also die Pyramiden üben, und dann könnt ihr eure Kühe im Gesamten einmal üben.
So this is the complete town before the wall.
And here's the new market. Have a look. With this church. This one. This church. Wait. Where's my finger? There. This church is here. This church.
Oh, I see. Got it.
And here, in front of the new market, is the city hall. This is the city. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and both 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And we will see that this in person, and that's the wall there. They kept the wall, but then everything else inside is modern. So friend David's taking me to go swimming around this area. This is so lovely. It's a wider sort of canal. It's even, I think, more gorgeous than Amsterdam in some ways. It's like more chill, less crowded, and beautiful view.
Hello, Rose. Greetings from Germany, especially Warnemünde, one of the nicest places in Germany. And I'm living there, Rostock, Warnemünde.
Oh, I stopped. Oh no, yeah, I have
And we are going now to swim a little bit.
Yay!
Hope you are fine and your hair too. Bye.
There's an outdoor pool out there. Outdoor pool swimming. And here we are in the outdoor pool. It's freezing out. It's like, I think 0 degrees or something, but the pool's keeping me warm, so this is good. We mix this with Ed Sheeran's Shape of You. Check this out. Remix of Shape of You.